Okay guys, so what's up guys? So I'm pretty wetty right now, bro. Okay guys, so I was like thinking of the food. Okay guys, so last time I tried this, I got up to 20 seconds. Now that's like beat that. But I didn't like upload it. Okay. So, okay, let's go. Okay. Not my favorite color though. But red is my favorite color. And we have red and black. Are you serious? Oh. Don't move. Wow. Why is it so long? Oh yeah, it is long. For my challenge to become greater than better. Now let's take that off like that. Okay, let's draw that later. Okay guys, so here we go. 3. I'm gonna count it in my hands, okay? We're gonna go. Good. I got up to 16 seconds. I beaten it. Comment W Thanos basketball, which is my main account. But I don't have it in my this account. Because this is my mom's account. Okay. See you. Bye. Sorry about that. This is the real one. Bye.